Okay, so in this part B, we're really trying to make a decision on our interval. So we've got this interval, this confidence interval, this 99% confidence interval that we came up with in the true mean difference in proportion of men and women aged 19 to 25 that live in their parents' home. So we've got this confidence interval, and we want to make a decision on whether this tells us that there is or is not a significant difference. So we're going to look at this interval and we're going to say, is 0%, meaning the difference in proportions of men and women is zero, is that 0% within our interval? If it is within our interval, then it's highly possible that there is no difference. We're 99% confident that there is no difference. But this is really the question that we're going to ask to make a decision here. All right, so because for our particular interval, our interval is between 5.1% and 12.3%, 0% does not fall within that interval. So we would say that we are 99% confident that there is a significant difference. So let's go ahead and phrase that and write that out. We are 99% confident that a significant difference exists between, and this is where your context comes in, the proportion of men and women aged 19 to 25 that live in their parents' homes.